Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Thank
What's
you
your
for
name?
calling.
Welcome,
So, yeah, my name's Claire.
Claire.
Yes,
Nice to meet you,
Clare. Yeah, nice to meet you. What's
Claire.
your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Okay,
Yes,
beautiful name. Beautiful name. How old are you?
17.
17. And
Yes,
where are you from?
I'm from India,
From India. Wow. Okay. What part of India?
in northern part.
In the northern. Okay, because I've only been to Goa before.
In
Down
in,
right down the south, Goa.
in India?
Yes, Goa, the beach part, right down south. Yeah, maybe I'm
Delhi?
not No, Goa, Goa. Let's.
Goa, Goa.
Oh, sorry, Sahiba. Yeah,
Yes,
Goa,
yes.
Goa. Yes, yeah, but I really enjoyed it. It was lovely. But so in the northern part, is it a big city you live in?
No, small city.
Okay. So
Yes.
is there a lot of countryside around?
Yeah.
Yes. So you like to. So what hobbies do you have? Do you like to be outside?
Yes.
Okay. So what
Yes.
hobbies do you have?
My hobbies are reading
Yes.
uh, and painting.
Okay.
Yes, I spend my time with my family.
Okay. Do you
Yes,
have a lot of brothers and sisters?
yes.
How many? Or who are your
Uh,
family
I
members?
I have two older brothers, one older sister, and my parents,
Yes.
six
Okay.
members.
Yes. Pretty big. Yes. That's good.
But
And
right
sorry.
now five because my sister she's married.
Ah, okay. So she now lives in her own house.
Yes,
And has she got any children yet?
yes,
Ah, so you're an auntie.
yes, yes.
So you have nieces or nephews? A niece or nephew?
Nephew,
A nephew. How old is he?
1 year.
Oh, very cute.
Yes,
You like spending time with him.
yeah.
So your sister still lives close by?
Yes,
Yes, okay, that's nice. And now are you on summer vacation from high school or?
yes, yes. Summer vacation.
Okay. So when you go back to school, are you still in high school at the moment or college? What
Yes, yes, in high school. I am in 12th grade right now.
in 12th grade? Yeah,
Yes,
okay. And do you want to go to university?
yes, next year.
Next year, okay. Do you have a university already lined up?
Yes,
Yeah. And because what do you think you want to be in the future? What job would you like to do?
I want to become an Islamic scholar.
Oh wow, okay. That's
Yes,
amazing. So you would just then teach in a
yes,
school? Yes, yeah. Wow.
yes,
That's
yes. In not school. In
in the mosque?
yes,
Yes, in the mosque. Okay. Oh,
adult,
that's brilliant.
teenager, children. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's great that you have such a strong faith and you want to teach it to everyone. Yeah, that's amazing.
yes,
That's why you like reading so much then. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. And what about food? What kind of food do you like to eat?
I like biryani.
Biryani. Okay.
Yes, I like vegetables.
Okay. Because you
Yes,
know, us English love Indian food, but in England, I think the Indian food is quite, it would be when we come to India. Although Went to Goa. Yeah, the food was amazing, very tasty. Can you cook?
Yes.
Yes. Is your mother a good cook?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about, would you like to go to England one day?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, because is
You're
that why
from
you're
England?
learning? Yes, I'm from London, England.
London.
Yes, London. But currently I live in Vietnam.
Sorry?
Vietnam. I currently live in Vietnam.
Okay.
Vietnam in
Yeah.
Vietnam.
Okay.
You know, yeah, close to Cambodia and Thailand, Vietnam. Yeah.
Yes.
I've lived here for 3 years because the weather in England is raining and cold. So we wanted to live somewhere where it's sunny all the time.
Oh. So
Yeah.
right now in here it's rain.
Oh, you have the
Yes.
monsoon season?
Yeah.
Oh. So how long does the monsoon season continue for?
1 week.
Oh, okay. To rain for 1 week completely, yes. So you
Yes.
can't go outside.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you like to exercise when you can go out?
I like, but I don't do.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, probably. Yeah, I'm the same. I should do more, but
I'm very lazy person.
yes, can be very lazy. What about the COVID situation where you live? Is
It's
that okay?
better now.
Better now. That's
Yes.
good. Are people being vaccinated?
Yes.
Yes, but mostly maybe the older people first.
Yeah.
They get the vaccine. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. But that's good to hear that it's slowing down, because I think there was a big problem in India, wasn't there? But here in Vietnam, unfortunately, the numbers are going up at the moment. So anyway, never mind. What about, do you use apps on your phone? Do you use
No.
apps? No.
No.
Do you use social media?
No.
No. Okay. So do you like watching movies?
Yes, sometime.
Okay. What kind of movies do you like? Bollywood movies?
Yes.
Yeah. They're a lot of fun, aren't they? They're always dancing and singing.
Yes.
Yeah, I like them a lot. Do you watch any sort of Western, English or American movies?
Yes. Sometime.
Yes. Yeah, you also like them. And what about listening to music? Do you have a favorite band
Mm,
or singer?
I listen English songs
Yes. Okay.
and
That helps you learn.
sorry?
That helps you learn English when you listen to the songs.
Yes.
Do you like singing then?
Singing?
You like singing?
I like, but I
May-
can't speak.
uh,
I can't
maybe
sing.
maybe by yourself, but I'm sure you can. Everybody that says, "Oh, I can't sing," normally they can. But yes, it's good fun. It makes you feel good to sing to yourself. Here in Vietnam, we have a lot of karaoke. You know what
Yes.
karaoke is? Yeah, and it's
So
a
what
lot
about
of fun.
you?
Yes, I love to sing. My favorite song that I sing is by Nirvana. I don't know if you know this band, Nirvana. Smells Like Teen Spirit. It's a rock song, and it's very loud and it's very. But yeah, so I love to sing that. But we're
Wow.
down to nearly just 30 seconds left, Sahiba. So,
Yes.
how long have you been learning English on Cambly?
Since a month.
For 1 month, okay. And you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it? I mean, I enjoy speaking to everyone around the world. You enjoy speaking to many different people, but
Yes.
yeah. But if you wanted to, call me back another time for more chat, that would be lovely. I
Yeah.
can send you my link. But otherwise,
Okay.
I'll say thank you very much You're perfect. Your pronunciation is perfect.
Thank you.
Well done.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Have a great day. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.